So let's be clear, this one is on us. We can't look to anybody else. We don't even need anybody else. This is on us. We can't wait around for anyone else to do this. And we need you all out there. All of you out there every day. No, every day. No, really every day. Between now and November the 4th. As Gary said, knocking on doors, doing the groundwork. You guys know what this looks like. You've done it before. Making calls. Getting everyone you know out there to vote for Gary and for Mark. And you can start right now. If you're not already involved, you can sign up to volunteer by going to michigandems.com/victory. michigandems.com/victory.